Hello everybody, Andrew Maeski here with EPICURE. So it is already April. I just wanted to hop on to say that if you're a new consultant or even if you've been a consultant for a while, you've been like in and out, selling, like not selling. But what I want to say is you definitely want to purchase things for your customers sooner rather than later. And I say this because a lot of things are selling out quickly. With Epicure, things don't usually sell out that fast, which is nice. But at the same time, when they have new products and new things come, people get excited and they want it. So this collection, the Customer Spring Feast collection, has been sold out. Let me just click that just to kind of show you guys what that is again. And and this happened to me too. So that's why I'm coming online. It says from March 23rd to April the 5th, but it literally sold out, I think, March 31st. So it was not online that long. But I don't know why this always happens to me, but I will post about it. People don't say anything, they're not interested, and then the day it sells out, everybody wants one. Everybody's messaging me saying, oh, do you still have this, or do you have any of this in stock? I see it's sold out, but I do want it. So definitely tell people that things do sell out. If you want it, get it now. And if you're collecting orders from your customers, don't wait until you get a big order, because the nice thing about Epicure is you can put orders through anytime and it will attach to that cooking class for the month. So if you're not sure how to do that, let me just stop sharing my screen for 1 second. So if you're not sure how to do that, what you want to do is create a cooking class. Let me go to my dashboard here. So you want to create a cooking class and have it be open for the month. So I did this the other day. So all I did was I went up to my cooking classes. I created a new one. So I do this like always for the beginning of the month. So I just click add a cooking class. I have one open until May the 5th. So it is open for the whole month. So you can add orders anytime. All you have to do is go to look, add order, and it will probably be a direct shipping order unless you have a group of people who are having it shipped to the same house. So it will typically be that order. I'm just going to enter in a name here just to kind of show you guys, and then you can add that anytime. Now the thing is, for the order to be processed, of course you have to accept payment and you have to process payment. Just do not close the cooking class. So process the payment and tell your customers, I can't process the order until I get payment, because it has happened to me where I think a customer will pay, she or he always pays, but then 2 days later they may say, actually, I don't want that anymore, or something's happened and I can't pay for it, or something. Well, it's a good thing that I didn't put the order through then, because what, they get free stuff and I have to pay for their order? That doesn't make any sense, right? So if a customer doesn't want to pay right away, say, I understand, but I can't process the order until you pay. If it goes out of stock, it goes out of stock. I don't know when these things will happen. So just make a cooking class for the month and just process orders as they come in. So I hope that helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.